Where do you go when you don't know the answer to a question? Well, I bet you do a quick Google search, don't you? Today we're going to finish up the month of January here on Tech Tip Tuesday by showing you how to do a quick Google search with NVDA. Have you ever struggled to wrap your mind around how a screen reader actually navigates the internet? Well, we're trying to tackle that in today's video. We're going to show you what a typical Google search will look like using a screen reader like NVDA. Now remember, screen readers are really similar, so even if you are not using NVDA, this video will still apply. If you want more of the nitty-gritty of exactly how I am navigating this Google search, well, we are going over all of that in this week's Screen Reader Tidbits emails. If you're not getting those in your inbox every week, click the link below to sign up. Okay, so let's get started.
Start window.
I'm going to start in Google Chrome. And I'm going to start up in the address bar. And I'll begin by typing in my search query. Now in this case, I really want to know more about the Mantis Q40 that we covered a couple of weeks ago. So I'm going to look up the Mantis Q40 manual. All right, so up in my search bar, I'm going to type in Mantis Q40 Braille display.
Google.com/searchq equals.
And press enter. Okay, so now I'm on my search results page. Now I'm going to use method 2, quick keys, to navigate by heading because remember, all of my search results are headings, right? So I'm going to navigate by heading. Here we go.
Clickable Mantis Q40 American Printing House.
And once I hear a website that makes sense, like that one, I'm going to select it with enter. Okay, so now I'm on this web page for APH. I know that's the company that sells it. So I'm going to use my quick keys method of navigation again. Remember, quick keys is the method that allows us to skim unfamiliar websites, okay? And I'm going to go by heading. So let's see if there's any headings on here that might give us a clue as to where to find that manual. All right, so let me do that.
Clickable main landmark Mantis Q40 heading level 1. List clickable with 9 items specs heading level 1 but manuals heading level 1 button collapsed. Expanded.
All right, there's manuals. Great, so now that we've found manuals, let's switch methods to method 1, navigating by clickable objects with the tab key. Now, why would we switch methods? Well, because remember, navigating with clickable objects using tab is for when we're really close to what we're looking for. We just found manuals, so we gotta be close, right? So here we go, I'm gonna press tab.
Mantis Q40 getting
and here
started.
we go, my first clickable object is the Mantis manual. It's really that simple. I can press enter to download it, and there we go. I've done my Google search. I found what I needed to find. Now, I hope this did two things. First, I hope that it helped you wrap your mind around what a Google search will actually look like using a screen reader on the internet. Number two, I hope that you can see exactly how easy a screen reader can be once you practice some of these foundational skills. Now, if you want more information about basic internet navigation, like some of the stuff I did today, visit our website, eyetvision.com. That's EYETVISION.com. There you can learn all about basic internet navigation and get you some free cheat sheets to learn the key commands that I use today for your screen reader. Now, starting next week, we are going to begin tackling email with a screen reader. Specifically next week, we'll be going over how to navigate that Gmail inbox. Have a great week. We'll see you next time on Tech Tip Tuesday. Hey, if you like this video and want more content like it, use the link below to sign up for our Screen Reader Tidbits emails. These emails come out every week and show you step-by-step instructions on how to do the most basic screen reader skills. If you want the latest Tech Tip Tuesday videos, you can join our Facebook group, AT for VI Professionals. The link is below. We'll see you there.